He didn't cry at the funeral. He didn't speak during the breakup. He didn't ask for help when he was drowning. But now, he's quiet for a different reason. Not because he's shut down, but because he's finally waking up. So what happens when a man finally chooses to heal? When the armor cracks, not because life broke him, but because he laid it down. In this video, we're going to walk the emotional terrain most men are never shown. Not the highlight reel, the inner rebuild. Healing doesn't start loud. It starts in private. A breakup, a death, a panic attack that comes out of nowhere. A child looks at him and asks, "Are you okay, Dad?" And suddenly, he can't run anymore. The bottle doesn't numb it. The gym doesn't burn it off. The same silence that once protected him now feels like a cage. He starts searching for something, quietly, not to be fixed, but to feel less crazy. There's always a moment, a quiet collapse. He's not bleeding, he's not yelling. He's just sitting in a car, and something breaks. So how does a man actually heal? He gets quiet, but in a new way. He journals, he prays, he meditates. He asks for support, without self-betrayal, a coach, a therapist, a mentor. He starts saying what he means. No more deflection, no more "I'm fine." Once a man heals, even partially, everything changes. He becomes present, not reactive. He listens with his whole body. He doesn't become perfect, he becomes anchored, he holds space. That's the healed man. Subscribe to the Stoic Quotient, because here we don't just preach growth, we live it. Thanks for watching.